Good morning, everybody. Nigel Hawks, Hawkeye Traders. It's the 15th of March, and I'm speaking to you from Australia. And I've woken up this morning to probably half a dozen emails from various market commentators saying market crash, end of the bull market, markets declining, trend reversal, etc., etc. I just want to show you that I don't think it is yet, and the reason being that volume tells you what is happening in the internal of the market. So what I want to show you in this very brief video is please only look at the chart. The chart and the volume tells you the story. All the other people who are writing to you have their opinions, but volume tells the truth. So let's just look at the ES here. Remember that this is the ES. It's a 24-hour chart at ES, and you can see that back here we put in two isolated lows on the Hawkeye, a little yellow dot there, a little yellow dot there, and a dot up here. So we know that where our congestion parameters are. And for those people who have attended any seminars with me, you know that I treat support and resistance not as an iron rod but as an elastic band, and I want to see no part of the bar touching the elastic band. And as you can see, although we had a big down day yesterday, it moved out, it still touched, the open still touched on the 24-hour market these isolated lows. So no part of the support there was broken. So please imagine it rather like an elastic band. And then if you come down to the Hawkeye algorithm, you can see that it was buying that was actually going on in that bar. So yesterday was a buying day. It wasn't a selling day. And this current bar that we have obviously hasn't painted any volume, but as I speak the S&P is up 6.5 big points, so it looks as though it's going to be rallying back into the congestion zone. And if we go over and look at the weekly chart, you can see that the weekly chart is showing us from the isolated high which occurred here. Let me just try and reduce that so you can see there's an isolated high, that little yellow dot up here. We're always expecting 3, 5, 7 time frame reversals off these. So 1, 2, 3, we're in it now. This is putting in an isolated low on the weekly. If it comes back and next week's an up week, you'll have a little yellow dot appear there, so we'll have an isolated low pushing this market up. So please don't listen to all these people, just look at the volume and let the charts tell you what's happening. Now please come to our trading room on Friday. We start at 9 o'clock. I shall be there. Randy's there trading the stock indexes live with you. He's also a great stock trader, so ask him lots of questions. I'm traveling. I hope to be in the room, but with time differences I think it's about 11:30 at night, but I will try and get there. So good trading, everybody. Only trade what you see, not what you hear on CNN and all those other people telling you nonsense. Bye bye.